What's going on, guys? Today I'm playing Prison Life and here's Katrin 204. Where's you, Katrin?
I'm there.
Okay, you're in the prison and I'm a police. I don't want to escape you. And now I will guard under the tunnel because someone prisoners escaping on this.
Okay. And then?
Okay, let's guard this. You can see some people escaping.
Where are you?
I'm in here in the tunnel. Are you escaped?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm
You're in gate. You're right. Yeah, and you're in gate.
Ah!
Now nothing's
Please don't
prisoner.
kill me.
Nothing prisoners going in there.
Okay.
Nothing prisoners. I will just guard these tunnels. If someone prisoner try to escape on there. Okay. Let's try if I can cuff a prison.
I'm logging.
Okay, I just guard you, nigga. Guys, please subscribe on this channel, guys. If you will enjoy this video. Okay, come on. Let me see some prisoner trying to escape. It's free time.
Log.
Some people hammering.
Where are
Okay.
you?
I'm in there on the tunnel.
How do you do that?
I just...
Go in the cafeteria.
Okay, go in cafeteria and now... Let's see if we can see some prisoners escaping.
There's the cafeteria. Her name is Bagdagdani.
Okay, now
Kiss me. Kiss.
I'm using my Remington.
I did it. Please open the door.
Don't try to escape because I'm gonna tease you.
What?
I'm gonna tease you, nigga.
Teaser.
Nigga. Okay.
Log.
Yeah, I see. Not, it's okay.
I'm going
You're
to
in.
escape.
Okay, escape now. Then, how you can escape?
Going there.
Let me see.
Hey, I can escape. Oh no, we're stuck. We need help. Go tell them going yourself.
Where did you? I gonna help you?
No, I'm resetting.
Okay, I not need you not need my help now, and I don't want to help you now. I will just guard this. I am a cop, and I'll do my job. I will make sure nothing prisoners and criminals go in Robloxian prisoners. Oh, there's some criminals. There's some criminals in there. I see them. He's
There's a cafeteria for the dinner. I'm going to the cafeteria.
He's coming. They're trying to.
I need to escape.
What? Ha ha ha. Got him.
I need
Hey,
to
criminal!
escape.
Don't escape on me. I gonna catch you, nigga.
Where is he?
Ha ha ha. I got a
Where
criminal.
is he? Where is the criminal?
He's on here.
Okay.
I got them. Really catch one criminal.
61.
Now there's coming. Oh.
Ah!
Hey, you cannot escape on me. I'm gonna shoot them.
I need
Oh my. Taser.
dinner.
Taste them. Boom. Oh, too close.
I
Shut
have
them.
already dinner.
Okay, dinner now. After meeting. I'm gonna kill some escaping.
Going to eat.
Okay, go in it.
Can you help me?
Nope. I'll do my job because I am a cop.
No.
What? Why did you say no? I'll just guard this person.
How
Okay.
can I go?
You cannot escape here because I'll just guard this. Dude. Let's taste it.
Punchy! Punch!
Oh, he died. You're so not. Hey. Oh, hey, dude. Don't kind do that.
It's, I think,
Oh. Criminal, got him.
I think it's,
He's criminal. We'll just go in here. And now open the gate. Go, open the gate. Okay.
why do you open the gate?
Open the gate. Do not want to escape.
I want.
Okay, dude.
I want to
What the hell?
escape.
Let's do our job, dude. Dude, get a car. Let's go in crime base. Dude, let's get a car and go in crime base. Dude, let's get a car and go in crime base.
Why you killing me, Rob?
Lovely.
Hey,
It's him.
she's,
Ha ha ha.
he killed me.
Criminal. Don't escape me. Criminal. Ah, come on, criminal.
I'm logging.
Criminals coming. You can't really escape on me because I'm gonna taste you.
Why?
Hey, come on. Don't escape with me. It's coming in. Come on. Don't escape. Stupid.
Stupid.
There's more. He died. Ah, come on. Too many prisoners escaping.
Too many.
Yeah.
And
Let's go.
others
Go.
help me.
Okay.
Cats go. Cats go.
Cats go. That was a
Cats
nice word. Cats go.
Cats go.
Come on, I'll guard this. Come on,
Cats
guys,
go.
let's get. Stop laughing at me. What the? How?
Cats
What
go.
the? How we do that?
What? These cats go. You
Okay,
know
do
cats
bad.
go.
Come on, dude. Come on. What you waiting for?
I'm logged.
Where was he? He slave?
Cats go.
Stop. Why you're not? Why you're?
Why?
Parang naka-escape ka dyan.
So walang lights open.
Wala na. Okay. Let's.
Why?
Another. Here's the away criminal. There, I see him. He's here. Okay, let's.
Ah.
He's on there. Wait, I see them. Be quiet,
Please,
guys.
I be.
He's in there. Now let's try to catch them.
Now I'm prisoner.
I'm gonna catch them. I'm gonna catch them.
Why?
Because they have criminals here.
Hey, Mama.
Nothing crazy.
Oh.
How you spending? Catch him. Oh snap. I really catch. I really catch this guy. Ouch. Come on, dude. Come on.
I think.
Oh, I fell off the world.
How do you glitch?
I fell off the world. Now it's time. Okay.
Mandatory breakfast now.
Ha. You cannot escape from me, nigga girl. You're so a nigga freaking. Noob. Yeah, he's noob. No.
Ah!
Let's try if we can. Oh,
Why?
nice glitch. Oh.
How do you glitch?
Yeah. I know how to glitch.
How, please?
You not know how to glitch. You're so crazy, Aniga.
Why, nigga?
You Aniga. You're so noob, you know. Oh. Ha. Got them. They are the two criminals here, and I need to face the one criminal here and catch him. Stupid. See him? Got him. Stupid. Isaiah. Isaiah, escape. You cannot escape. Got him. Hey, Michael, don't sign with me. Stupid. He was a stupid.
I need
Don't
to escape.
praise me. You cannot escape. Don't escape, criminal.
There's
Oh,
more
come
criminal.
on. Let me cut you up. I will hate. Ouch. Come on. He just tricked me. This is how to glitch. Look me. Wait, I need a Remington. Okay. And now using Android, this is how to glitch. Go in this side and Dragon near. Come on, let me glitch out. See? Easy way to glitch. Oh, someone need to help me. Wait, guys. Someone need to help me. Come on, let me help. Someone need to help me, guys. What the heck?
Stuck. You need to reset.
Reset character. See, guys, easy way to glitch on yard. But
Yard time.
it's yard time. Someone not. I need to glitch. Okay, I'll just go in there, right there, and now time to that way. Come on, dude.
Go on me.
Oh, come on.
Look me.
What? Boop. Come on.
I see you. Stress.
And that place too hard to escape. And now
Where
here.
are you?
Come on. What happened?
Where are you?
Here, trying to
Can I see
glitch.
you?
Okay. Glitch.
Where are you?
I gonna kill you.
No. Please.
I gonna catch. I think. Okay, I think they have a criminals on that tab. Open. Gonna catch a criminal. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened on your?
Stop recording.
Why? You cannot escape on me. Oh,
Oh my god.
you're stupid.
Roblox.
Oh snap!
Can I have some?
How these prisoners so noob? He
Huh?
cannot use their gun.
Their
Fight
gun.
me? Their gun fight me.
Their, as in their, D-A-R-A?
Yeah, their gun.
Or T-H-E-I-R?
Oh, he glitch. What the fudge? He glitch. How he do it? Oh, ouch! Keycard.
Candy girl is my best.
He triggered me.
Huh?
He say he's stupid. You know
No.
how? Okay, guys. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. Now, don't forget to subscribe and don't leave the comment. Bye!